Want to master equity accounting in Peachtree Accounting Software 2010? Let's get started. First, open your Peachtree company file now. Locate the Tasks menu at the top of the screen and click on it from the drop-down. Select General Journal Entry. A General Journal Entry window will pop up. Click in the Date field to enter the date of the equity transaction, either owner contribution or retained earnings. Next, click in the Account No field under the Debit column. A drop-down list appears showing your chart of accounts. Choose the appropriate equity account for your transaction, such as owner's equity or retained earnings. Then, click in the Debit field and enter the dollar amount for the debit side of the transaction. If your transaction is a debit for an owner contribution, if instead the transaction is for the credit side of owner's equity, skip this for now. Now select which account to credit. If instead using this entry for a distribution, type in the debit amount in the amount category. Next, click in the Account No field under the Credit column and select the corresponding balance sheet account for owner contributions. This is typically a cash account, or if retained earnings, an income to expense account. Then, click in the Credit field and enter the dollar amount for the credit side of the transaction. Be sure that the debits and credits balance in the window's bottom right section in the Reference field. Provide a brief description of your transaction like owner contribution or retained earnings posted once you've verified all entries. Click Save to record the transaction. You've successfully added equity in Peachtree. Don't forget to review your balance sheet to verify your entries were correct. That's it.